Hi guys, welcome to Wiezys Trading. Just want to make a quick video here to show you my new indicator, Wiezys Flow Histo Volume 1. This is the order flow histo, kind of just a little bit better. It takes in some statistics of candle sizes and relationships to EMAs in it. You can see it's pretty accurate. M15 quick too. It actually turned out really good. Here's a lot of the pretty customizable. Check with this a lot here. I like to come down here and check this final smoothing out. Change that to like 15 or so. It really shows the moves out a lot better. You can see it smoothed everything out more. Shows you more of the trend. You don't get the extreme values quite as often, but gives you a good direction of where the market might be going, what's happening. You can download it free on Wiezys Trading on Telegram. Thanks for watching.